Hi guys, welcome to our channel. So we're gonna play Roblox and it's Slap Tower 2. Sorry guys, I cannot speak properly because I have braces. Like it's my first time. I I I put braces on my feet, so I cannot speak properly because I'm just a beginner of using braces. It's my first time. I cannot speak properly like the. So there's a secret here, so you can shortcut. Let's go. Go jump there. You need to be careful here. Okay, it's hard. Nah, bro, nah. Let me try. Let me try.
Asa si Kuya? Asa mga sudlayan? Wala yung sudlayan.
Oh, there's another shortcut here, guys. In here. Like here. Like here, guys. It's in here. Shortcut, yeah. What the? Oh my god, sorry. There's so many secrets. I'm just gonna go here. Chicken jockey. Oh my god. So many trollers. Oh my god. So we're gonna go here. Like this is a Slap Tower 2.
Spider-Man o si Batman.
So that's my brother.
Apakah siya? Apakah? Kanan ka to siya.
So let's go. Oh my god. That was close.
Apakah na siya?
Oh my god. Sorry. So let's go here.
Asa man to? Gamuri mo gitaklo. Ay, na din taklog.
Amaw ko, babe.
Uy, gani. Ano paglungan mo na ko? Asa man akong cellphone, Marjorie?
So I think we're gonna end this just like now.
Ang cellphone ba asa?
So bye guys.
Like and subscribe.
I'm just gonna add a part 2.
Yeah.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.